Thank you for watching this week's video notes on the case for modular automation in modern manufacturing. For more information on how to get a quote today, please visit our website at focusintegration.com.
Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into a really critical strategic shift that's happening for manufacturers everywhere. We're talking about the move away from massive, monolithic projects and toward agile, modular automation.
Okay, so let's jump right in by setting the stage. Because, to really get the solution, you first have to feel the pressure. And right now, the modern manufacturing environment is, well, it's a landscape of some intense and intersecting challenges. You've got these persistent labor shortages that make it a constant battle just to staff key positions. At the exact same time, the relentless pace of e-commerce is demanding faster and more varied fulfillment. And then, bubbling underneath it all, you have rising operational costs just squeezing margins from every possible angle. It's a perfect storm.
So the really critical question becomes, how do you not just survive in this climate, but actually thrive? The traditional playbook of planning these massive, multi-year automation overhauls, well, it's often just too slow and too rigid to be the answer anymore.
The real answer lies in a pretty fundamental shift in thinking. It's all about moving away from those huge all-or-nothing projects and embracing smart, modular automation. We're talking about targeted solutions that solve specific problems and solve them fast, delivering a clear return on your investment in months, not years. And a fantastic example of this modular approach in action is the rapid adoption of robotic palletizing systems. This is really where the strategic theory becomes a practical reality right there on the factory floor.
Now, for anyone who might be unfamiliar, robotic palletizing is pretty straightforward. A robot automates the task of stacking products onto a pallet for shipping. But the real innovation here, the game changer, is in the deployment. Instead of these massive, custom-engineered systems, we're seeing the rise of self-contained, pre-engineered cells that you can integrate easily into existing lines.
A great way to picture this is with a system like the Focus Integration Cube Palletizing Cell. See, this isn't a one-off custom build. It's a standardized, pre-engineered solution. It's essentially a module that can be dropped into an existing line with minimal disruption, and that makes advanced automation so much more accessible and practical for a much wider range of operations.
So what's the core technology that's making all this modularity possible? Well, for the most part, it's the incredibly versatile articulated robot arm.
Now this is really interesting. Take a look at the data here. It's projecting that articulated robots will hold nearly 40% of the market share. And the reason for that is pretty simple. Their multi-axis design gives them this unparalleled flexibility, which makes them the perfect engine for these new modular cells. And this right here, this illustrates the strategic difference perfectly. On one side, you've got the modular approach, flexible, scalable, a small footprint, and it's fast to deploy. You can even redeploy the whole asset if your production needs change. Now, contrast that with the traditional automation on the other side. It's rigid, it's space-intensive, and it's basically a permanent fixture. This is a completely different mindset.
So, okay, how does this modular approach actually translate into tangible bottom-line results? What really happens when you implement this kind of solution?
First and foremost, speed. The data shows that implementing a robotic palletizing cell can increase your throughput by up to 30%. That is a massive productivity gain that helps you meet those really tough e-commerce demands head-on.
Second, and this is a big one, a safer workplace. Manual palletizing is repetitive, it's physically demanding work, and it is a primary driver of those costly musculoskeletal injuries. By automating this one task, you protect your team and create a much more sustainable work environment. And finally, quality. A robot builds a perfect pallet every single time. This unmatched repeatability reduces product damage, it improves load stability, and it ensures your products arrive at their destination exactly the way they're supposed to.
Now, this isn't some niche technology just for a few early adopters. The market data reveals a clear and, frankly, a decisive shift. This is quickly becoming the new industry standard.
Just look at this number. Industry analysts are projecting that the global market for palletizing robots is going to surge to nearly $29 billion by 2035. That scale of investment signals a fundamental transformation in how goods are handled, period.
This chart really visualizes that explosive growth. I mean, the market is set to nearly quadruple in just one decade. And that's fueled by a compound annual growth rate of almost 15%. So this isn't some slow trend, it's a rapid acceleration.
So the crucial point here is that market forces are what's driving this change. As this industry report puts it, escalating labor costs are compelling this move. Automation is just no longer a nice-to-have. It's becoming a strategic necessity for both survival and growth. So what does all of this mean for you, as a decision maker who's looking to build a more resilient operation? How do you actually get started with this?
Well, it's a pretty clear four-step journey. First, you identify the biggest bottleneck in your end-of-line process. Those repetitive, labor-intensive tasks that happen after your product is made. Second, evaluate modular, pre-engineered solutions that are designed for that exact pain point. Third, start small. Do a pilot project to prove the ROI and build some internal momentum. And then finally, you scale that success across your operations.
The ultimate takeaway is really this. Modular automation has graduated from being a simple equipment upgrade. It is now a core business strategy. It's a way to future-proof your operation against all the pressures of tomorrow.
This shift is accelerating, and it's happening right now. So the question isn't if it will impact your business, but how you're going to leverage it to lead. Is your operation truly ready for what's coming next?
We hear from a lot of companies that their throughput is hurt by labor shortages, reliability, and safety at the end-of-line palletizing. Focus designed the Cube Palletizing Cell to solve these problems for companies that need automation without anxiety that comes with it. Your team should not have to become robotics experts to support a palletizer. The Cube arrives turnkey and is up and running, and your staff is trained in a single day. The system is designed for people who actually use it. Deployment is straightforward, operation is simple, reliability is high. The Focus operating system is key to this. If you can use a tablet or a cell phone, you can use FOS. Feedback is visual, faults are explained, and setup requires no code right from the HMI, removing operational obstacles. Remote support from our engineers provide the confidence your team deserves. Focus Lens gives insight to production data, system status, and the ability to view and print shift reports provides visibility to management. Together, these tools provide an easy operational experience, keeping your line running smoothly around the clock. The Cube is designed and assembled right here in Detroit. This is what low-risk automation actually looks like.